into cos C plus cos A into sin C. Second question, what? Cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. Okay. So here is the question 9. If triangle ABC, okay. If the triangle ABC, here is the triangle ABC. The right angle at B, ABC, right angle at B. Okay. And they given the tan A value. The tan A is equal to 1 divided by root 3. Okay, angle A. If you are taking angle A, then this is the perpendicular. Sorry, if you are taking angle A, then this is called a hypotenuse because opposite of 90 degree. And this is BC is called perpendicular because opposite to angle A. And AB is the base. So here tan A is nothing but ratio. What is the ratio for the tan A? Is nothing but perpendicular
Perpendicular by base.
by base.
perpendicular is 1 and the base is root 3. Base is root 3. So here we have to find out the hypotenuse in triangle ABC. So hypotenuse, if you want to find, then how do you find the hypotenuse here? AC square is equal to what I should write?
AB square plus BC square.
AB square plus BC.
AB square plus BC square. AB is nothing but root 3 whole square. BC is nothing but 1 square. So root 3 whole square means this 2 and square cancel. Only 3 will be remaining. 1 square become 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So AC square is equal to 4. Therefore AC is root 4. And then AC is equal to 2. AC is equal to 2. Similarly, what you should find out in this? Or AC is equal to 2 units. Okay. Now here we have the first question, sin A cos C. So here angles are changing because here sin A is given, here cos C is given. So here angles are here changing. So here when the angles will change, then two sides will change. There is perpendicular and base will change. Okay, so here what I'll find here I'll find the values of sin A only sin A I will find. Sin A and cos A I will find from this figure. So sin A is nothing but what? Perpendicular divided by hypotenuse. So here will come 1 divided by 2. And cos A is nothing but what? Base by hypotenuse. Base divided by hypotenuse. So base is root 3 divided by hypotenuse is 2. So sin A cos A I can able to find from this figure. And if you want to find out the sin C and cos C, then I have to draw one more figure. Okay. One more figure I have to draw for that. Sin C and cos C. Same, everything is same, only the angle change here. Okay. Angle change. So your values also same. Here 2, here 1, and here root 3. Okay. So here C, angle is change, angle. Opposite of 90 degree, that you know it is a hypotenuse, and opposite of angle is called a perpendicular. Perpendicular. And BC now is becoming base. BC is becoming base. So here now we have to find out the sin C. Sin C, the ratio is perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular here root 3 and hypotenuse is 2. Similarly, cos C. Cos C is nothing but base by hypotenuse. Base by hypotenuse. Base is base is 1 and hypotenuse is 2. Okay. So here we got sin C, cos C. So according to the first question, what they given here? Sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C. So here we have the sin A. See, this is the sin A. So substitute the sin A value is 1 by 2 into cos C. This is the cos C. This is also 1 by 2 plus cos A. Cos A is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into sine c. Sine c is also root 3 by 2. Okay, so here we can do that. 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, plus root 3 into root 3 become 3, and 2 2 ja 4. So here the denominator is same, that is LCM is 4. So 1 plus 3. So the answer will come here 4 by 4. 4 by 4 nothing but 1. 1 is the answer here. 1 is the answer. Similarly, you can able to find the second question. Second question here they given that cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So cos A, where is the cos A here? Root 3 by 2. This is the root 3 by 2. Okay. Cos C is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Minus sin A. Sin A is 1 by 2. Sin C is root 3 by 2. So root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by 2, 2 is 4. Minus 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by 2, 2 is 4. So root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. What is the answer there? Root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4.
0.
0 is the